Toyota has a reputation for producing robust, reliable engines, and the 1UR-FE is no exception. This 4.6-liter naturally aspirated V8, part of Toyota's UR engine family, succeeded the legendary 2UZ-FE, featuring advanced technologies and construction methods aimed at improved efficiency, performance, and reliability. Initially introduced in Lexus vehicles, the 1UR-FE later powered various Toyota models such as the Land Cruiser 200, Sequoia, and Tundra. In this video, we'll dive deep into the engine's design, explore its specifications, highlight known problems, and provide insights into its real-world reliability. The 1UR-FE is built around an aluminum alloy V-shaped block with a 90-degree angle between cylinder banks. Unlike its iron block predecessor, the new aluminum block incorporates durable spiny-type cast iron cylinder liners for better heat dissipation. Its bore measures 94 mm with a shorter stroke of 83 mm, resulting in a displacement of 281.2 cubic inches. The forged steel crankshaft features 6 counterweights, fewer than the 2UZ-FE, which slightly reduces operational smoothness but saves weight. A torsional rubber damper on the crank pulley compensates effectively for vibrations. Forged connecting rods and aluminum pistons with resin coatings, combined with piston cooling oil jets, ensure durability and efficiency. A completely revised cylinder head design accompanies the new aluminum engine block. Each bank utilizes dual overhead camshafts, DOHC, operating 4 valves per cylinder, 32 valves total. A significant improvement is the adoption of chain-driven timing instead of belts, enhancing reliability and reducing maintenance costs. Primary timing chains drive the intake camshafts, while secondary chains connect intake and exhaust camshafts. Hydraulic lifters are now standard, eliminating the need for manual valve clearance adjustments. Additionally, Toyota incorporated its Dual VVT-i system, controlling both intake and exhaust valve timing, and installed magnesium alloy valve covers to reduce overall engine weight. Fuel delivery utilizes sequential fuel injection, SFI, characterized by 12-hole injectors for precise fuel atomization and efficient combustion. The intake system includes Toyota's acoustic control induction system, ACS, optimizing airflow and torque across various RPM ranges. An electronically controlled throttle body, ETCSI, further enhances throttle response and engine efficiency. The 1UR-FE's exhaust system features stainless steel headers and piping, with dedicated catalytic converters for each cylinder bank. To achieve strict emissions compliance, Toyota equipped this engine with a water-cooled exhaust gas recirculation, EGR system, and a secondary air injection, SAI system, which rapidly warms catalytic converters during cold starts, significantly reducing harmful emissions. The Toyota 1UR-FE produces approximately 304 horsepower at 5,500 RPM and delivers around 439 Newton-meters of torque at 3,400 RPM. Variants of this engine, like the 1UR-FSE, with combined direct and port injection, offer higher performance figures up to 385 horsepower and 500 Newton-meters of torque. While highly durable overall, the 1UR-FE has a few known problem areas. Water pump failures, often occurring around 60,000 to 100,000 kilometers. Premature leaks from water pumps necessitate regular monitoring and timely replacement. Timing chain and tensioner issues. Although chains typically last around 300,000 kilometers, occasional premature failures of hydraulic chain tensioners may cause rattling noises and potential chain looseness. Valve spring recalls. Early production models, around 2010, had weak valve springs, prompting Toyota to issue a recall and replace the springs under warranty. Moderate oil consumption. Urban driving conditions may lead to piston ring deposits and subsequent oil consumption, sometimes around 0.5 liters per 1,000 miles. Secondary air injection, SAI. Failures. Valve sticking within the SAI system can cause check engine lights and emissions-related issues, requiring component replacements or cleaning. Cooling fan clutch and coolant leaks. Frequent issues include failures of the cooling fan clutch and minor coolant leaks around cylinder head and block junctions, typically occurring around 100,000 kilometers. Despite these noted issues, the 1UR-FE is considered a robust and reliable engine, with consistent high-quality maintenance, regular oil changes, and prompt attention to minor issues. This engine routinely achieves service life exceeding about 300,000 miles and more. The inherent design, durability, and quality materials contribute significantly to its reputation for reliability. The Toyota 1UR-FE 4.6-liter V8 continues the legacy of Toyota's dependable V8 engines, balancing sophisticated engineering with practical reliability. Though not immune to specific weaknesses like water pump leaks, moderate oil consumption, or timing chain tensioner issues, these concerns are manageable through proactive maintenance. For owners and potential buyers of Toyota and Lexus vehicles equipped with the 1UR-FE, awareness of these characteristics ensures years of enjoyable and trouble-free driving.